There's a video, sir. Please.
Take all this, this is what we got. Second
What's the
place.
date? For second place.
Since 1718.
Okay. These were all trophies.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is the second place special award. This is for Kayakalpa.
Okay.
Keeping
It
the-
is on behalf of IMA hospital.
No, hospital.
Hospital. Okay, sir.
State wise, we got second prize. Last year we got first prize.
Okay.
Keeping the hospital clean and
Yeah,
maintenance.
hygienically it is
Hygiene.
rooted. It is the second place in Karnataka.
Karnataka, that is
And-
1718. Last year we got first place.
So last
This
year it was the first place.
First place.
Okay.
We got 50 lakhs prize.
So why it has come down, sir, for second place?
No, earlier that was.
Uh-huh.
Competitiveness will be
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So we continuously got third and second. This year we got first place.
First place. This year I got
First place.
now you improved.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So all these are trophies on for hospital.
Yes, hospital and my personal things.
So you are personal, sir?
These are all the things.
Okay.
This all.
Gadinadu Utsava.
సార్ నమస్తే
నమస్తే నమస్తే యూట్యూబ్ అంటారు
నేను పంపించేదే మా ఫ్రెండ్ అయినా
అవునా
సార్ పోయి బదులంతా ఆయన అంతా పని చేస్తుంటే సైలెంట్గా పోయి తీయండి మా ఫ్రెండ్ క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్ అయినా
అవునా
మేము ఎట్లా ఇబ్బంది తీస్తున్నాము
డైలీ ఎంత డ్రాప్ చేస్తా
అవును
This is second place. Last year you got it.
yeah. 1718.
So this certificate for the maintenance of this hospital.
Yes,
plus
yes.
Hygiene.
Hygiene, infection control.
So you were last year also you were there. This year.
Yeah, yeah,
also.
yeah.
So under the leadership of your.
Yes. This is the state government has given when Congress government was there.
Okay.
These all, that is the individual prizes.
మెడల్స్ ఇండివిజువల్
District Minister.
So these are all individual prizes for the concerned department doctors.
ఆడే ఇంటర్వ్యూలోనే
Ah,
ముందు వచ్చిన దూరం అట్లా చేయాలి.
Everything is monitored.
కోవిడ్ పేషెంట్ సార్ వాళ్ళు?
Is a COVID ward.
Yes. COVID ICU ward.
So cases are now reducing, sir.
Yes. Now it is reducing.
To
Still,
the-
but ICU is full.
To the what extent it has been reduced?
It has almost reduced 50%.
More than 50%.
No, 50%.
So you will be monitoring the ICU ward from your IP camera.
Yes. Different. It will go on changing.
Okay. So these are the facilities available in district of a hospital, and which has been maintained by.
अब ये बात करना हुआ नहीं तो कभी आम पेशेंट इमरजेंसी इधर से
See, these are all COVID patient
Yes.
in ventilators. See the government facility what they are providing, and still the people blame them. They are doing their level best, and without taking any rest.
There are our people inside. They are wearing
Okay.
PPE kit.
Okay, sir.
Hey, ikkada barra. Hey, Nagaraj. Bada sir ಮಾತಾಡು.
Sir, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಈ ತರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಖುಷಿನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ತರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್, ದ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ and you are fighting inside our country. So you are doing a very good service in spite of criticism from many people. In spite of that, with this losing a heart, you are doing the service. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
He is Dr. Abdul Gufur, sir. He is a senior consultant.
Okay, sir. So you want to say anything?
Presently, we are having patients in theatre and some patients in hypertension and all. Now, little bit load still has come down, sir. But the serious cases are the same, sir. Coming
So
up.
serious cases are coming, cases are come down.
Yes, outside cases are coming down, but serious cases are coming.
The ICU cases are still there,
Still
there.
there, sir.
but whereas the general oxygen
Cause you
beds, so mild
test-
cases are reduced.
So what your suggestion you want to give to the people? Anything first aid when they panic? You want to tell anything regarding this because of the panic, all the system is getting collapsed. So you want to tell anything because what steps you have to take when you?
General public means only thing is first they have to understand the basic things, sir, which everybody is telling that wearing mask 100% every
Yeah.
time and maintaining social distance
Mm,
and always maintaining sanitization.
mm.
Thing. And for early any symptom also to consult a doctor, early symptoms. The early people, if early symptoms getting cured is very easy, sir.
Mhm.
And most of them who have come to ICU have taken 10 days their own treatment or 1 week.
Mhm.
Then they have deteriorated, then they have landed up here.
As this virus is RNA, so it is getting very difficult to treat the patient.
Yes, sir. See, that is what test, track, trace them. First trace them, do test, track them, and give treatment. Isolate them and give treatment. And whenever there is earlier they identify themselves with a problem, they should get tested and consult doctors. Take oral medication is sufficient. So what they do, they don't take any medication. They just lie in the house. And once they start getting desaturated, that time they come when oxygen level comes down.
So at the last stage they will come.
For us, it is very difficult to manage such patients. Still, we are managing. When the patient comes to ICU, we have 50%, 60% mortality. That is, 60% will recover, 40% still difficult to say on either side.
Okay.
So because all lungs would have gone by the time they come here.
That the whole lungs has been
Collapsed.
damaged. Yes.
It would have become like a cement, hard.
Cement, yeah.
Earlier it was like a sponge.
Mhm.
Whatever you press, it
Yeah,
will go
yeah, yeah,
inside and come out. Yeah, but once it becomes like a cement, the air
That
will
is
not
very
push it.
difficult. Yes.
So there is no oxygen for the body. Saturation will come down. That's why all our ventilators and oxygen will push into the lungs and break that whatever it is there, that consolidation part, lungs part, and make it lively, and then get into the that rubber quality, whatever that lung is there, that should get come into back earlier position, so that they will
So
be
you
able to
start.
rebreathe themselves.
This is the virus only breathing problem, because due to the breathing problem all these things are happening. It's no other virus. It is a virus which is affecting our lungs.
Corona is mostly fond of lungs. It likes lungs. First thing. Next, afterwards, it will target heart, kidney, and
Liver.
then brain.
Yeah. So I have gone through some of the videos of Dr. K.K. Agarwal. He's Padma Shri doctor and one of the greatest cardiologists in India. Recently he has died. After taking the 2 doses of vaccine,
Yes, sir.
and every day he was encouraging the patient how to behave, not to lose your heart, have a strong willpower. He was telling that willpower will also work parallelly with the medicine. So what do you think about regarding this, sir?
Yes, sir. Most of them people, they are psychologically they should not go down, sir.
Yes, that is important message you want to tell. Psychology, you should not go down. Keep your willpower strong and think that you will be recovered. And when you have the positive thinking, so automatically your positiveness will increase your immunity and all.
Especially in ICU, they should have a positive psychological feeling.
Yeah,
See, when patients are like that,
Uh-huh.
how is their psychological feeling?
yeah.
they feel that I should earn so much of this is there, why should we are telling them it is a temporary.
Yes.
You will be all right.
Uh,
After 15 days, you will not have all these things.
Okay.
This is only we are giving a assistance
Okay.
to breathe and get them become normal. So that 15 days they have to tolerate those things. So that psychology you have to give them. This will not be a permanent. This 15 days you have to struggle. Afterwards you will be all right.
So now in a lot of social media, things are people are spreading that take steam bath, have that kada, to improve the herd immunity.
That's all not yet scientifically proven.
Yes, sir.
So what all we are doing, whatever it is scientifically proven we are doing.
Yeah.
Maximum, because already this is a 1-2 years old disease.
Yeah,
COVID has come last already 1.5 years back.
yeah.
So that experience we are utilizing it.
Okay.
So the main treatment lies on with blood thinners. That is COVID means blood gets lost.
Yes.
So it gives thinning of the blood drug that is an actual and to treat the lungs. Lungs will get affected. We are pushing the
Oxygen level
That is the main level of treatment.
into the blood.
And
So,
then to prevent the infection, we are giving antibiotics.
so how about herd immunity? How much it plays a role in this type of?
Herd immunity, then more of them it is getting immune by themselves.
Okay.
It is infecting and those who are youngsters they tolerate. Older people will not get.
So it is said that last 6 months back this virus has come down to the drastic level. Then it has come again with
That is with the mutant change.
change of the structure.
It has changed its face.
Yeah,
Mutant face.
it has changed. So any further it may change.
Maybe next third wave we are expecting that is a pediatric case. It is going to have one pediatric case. See, earlier it was targeting on the first wave, it is only targeted on the elder people, more elder, more
Okay.
than 60. Now it has targeted middle-aged people.
35 to 50, most of them.
So do you think it is an conspiracy? There's a biological war. It is not. This theory is not. It has to be ruled out. It's not a biological war.
I don't think so, but still we don't know.
No, because
Beyond our
people
scope.
get suspected because all of a sudden it has raised. It has taken its other way. So it may be a biological war. It has been spread because see that, see that Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, and Gujarat. Delhi is the capital city of India. Bangalore is the IT city of India. And Chennai is industrial city. Mumbai is industrial commerce city, capital of India. So first it has come to these places, and afterwards, due to the agitation and all, it has reached to villages. And due to negligence of our own people, they are not taken seriously. If it are seriously, this should have been avoided as the second phase.
The thing is, it is a economy. The people will come from the different countries to the main cities, not to the rural place. Wherever they come, they get into the Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore. So they are the ones bringing in, and the things will happen.
Sir, one more question I'm having, sir, if you don't mind, sir. As per protocol, you cannot do post-mortem. Suppose if out of lakhs of people, if the post-mortem is done by our own doctor, they will have the real fact why it has happened. As per protocol, you cannot do. If our doctors come to know why it is, because in Italy, they have come to know, they have gone against the protocol and they have done the post-mortem. They have found that it is a bacteria. So what do you think? Post-mortem has to be allowed with the consent of the deceased.
No, sir. There also they have not told that it is bacteria.
Uh-huh.
Bacteria might be due to secondary infections.
Okay, sir.
Secondary infections of bacteria. Here also every patient is only virus. These are all started by virus.
Okay, sir.
But we are giving for everybody antibiotics.
Okay.
Antibiotics is not for virals.
Okay.
It is for a bacterial infection.
Okay.
Everybody is having secondary bacterial infection once the immunity comes out.
Okay, sir.
Now we are healthy means anything will not affect us. Just you become little bit sick or anything, immediately all the bacteria will attack you.
Okay.
Instead of virus also.
As soon as immune system come down, so even a little bacteria will attack you.
Like war.
Bacteria and virus, mainly is virus. Sir. It's not bacteria, mainly virus. Sir. But because of virus, because of secondary bacteria.
Thank you, sir.
This staff Raghavendra, He is in charge of this ward,
Okay.
and she is he is a physiotherapist. Aniraj.
So these are all oxygen generators.
Yes, no, these are the ventilators.
Ventilators.
For backup worker.
Okay.
Any ventilator gets stuck in. for change
So
the
for
condition.
backup, we are having 4 ventilators.
Yes,
If
sir.
anything goes wrong,
Yes.
see the facility in our district hospital. And people unnecessarily go to private hospital and they cry for their payment has been so much. The bill has come so much. When we are getting such a class 1 facility, and our district hospital stands number 1 in Karnataka for hygiene and treatment and behavior of the doctors. So please, I will follow you, sir.
With the still more wards we got upwards. We got another 10 wards inside like that.
So it is full, beds are full, sir?
Beds are full. Only oxygen beds are 10.
In case
20
any
beds.
other admission, what you will do, sir? for
No,
that?
now we are doing only exclusively COVID treatment.
Okay.
So still another 1 month will continue this. Afterwards we'll go for both COVID and non-COVID. And we have started one more ward for post-COVID problems. After getting treatment from once they recover from the COVID, still they get some problems like lung problems,
Breathing.
arthritis, breathing problem, arthritis, joint problems. All different things they get. So we admit them in the other ward.
Sir, post-COVID, you lose a smell and taste also, sir?
Some of them will lose, but they'll get it back.
Initial stage.
Transit.
How many months it takes?
No, it will 5 days, 6 days.
5 6 days, not 2 months together.
Not
Because people will, as soon as they lose the taste, they will get panic. Nothing to panic after treatment.
It is transit for 5 days. Once the viral dose will come down, no?
Mhm.
It will recover.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
ಬರೀ ಸರ್